Well, I have an interesting problem to solve this morning. I'm at one of my rent houses and we have a broken pipe. And we have a broken pipe in one of the most inconvenient places I can imagine. Here's the problem. If this pipe that's broke off had a stem on it like this, then I would be able to just cut this off and put a new stem on here. This is apparently some kind of drain they've put on there at some point. I'm actually glad that's there at this point because we may ultimately end up using it. But my problem is I have to plug this hole. And the real problem I've got is that this is a fitting and it goes back into the concrete block wall. Now I could bust this block out and attempt to cut it off back in there and make a new fitting out. That's going to be a problem. That's going to be difficult. And there's a couple of really dramatic things I could maybe try to get this T off. But because I have a reducer right here going in between the 3/4 to the 1/2 inch CPVC, I think today I'm going to attempt to take a 5/8 inch drill bit and drill out the 1/2 inch CPVC pipe that's in there. Now the outside diameter of that 1/2 inch CPVC is 5/8. So I'm going to attempt to make a drill mark all the way down through there. Okay, at the last minute I decided that a drill may be too high speed. So I took my brand new very sharp drill bit and I ran it down in there by hand, and it worked pretty easy. It was nice and slow, and I think maybe we might have success here. So what I'm going to do is glue this up, and with lots of glue. I'm going to put a lot of glue down in there, and I'm going to let that dry for a good long time and see if it holds. Okay, here you can see I've got the new piece of pipe shoved down in the hole we drilled. I used a very generous amount of glue. I'm hoping that it really grabs on and fuses those pieces together. The pipe was tight going down in there, even with the glue on there, so I'm pretty confident this is going to work. I'm going to turn the water on, and kind of an interesting adventure this one has been. I would not recommend this as a regular practice, but in this case, it probably saved me $500 to $700. That's what I would call a success.